It is freezing out here. It's funny because I think I had somebody comment on, I think maybe one of my Shein hauls, I'm not sure, maybe it was like on my Instagram DM, but somebody had seen my Shein hauls with all the wintry stuff, and they were like basically saying that I think they had like just moved to Texas and that it doesn't even get that cold here. And I was just like, no, it does. It is freezing outside. In some parts it's like 20 degrees right now in Texas, and I think it's like 30-ish or 40 right now, and it's just October. It gets really, really cold in January here, and February too, I think, is one of our coldest months. But anyways, I don't even know why I was thinking about that. I'm pointing the camera out here just because I just woke up and it's just a no. I just don't want the camera in my face right this very second. But I'm still in my PJs, but my daughter's leaving today. I'm so sad. But anyways, yeah, so I really don't know what the vlog's gonna look like, but we'll try it today. Here's Loxie. Yeah, you wet? I don't think it's supposed to rain today, which is good because I don't like the fact that it would rain on her drive back, but I know, okay. The house looks super cozy in weather like this, and I love weather like this. I think I might have mentioned this in another vlog, but I need the sun, but I think there's supposed to be sun tomorrow. But update, I do absolutely love the curtains. They were, yeah, don't know how I went without them, to be honest. And yeah, like even from here you can't even see where the nail was, like you can't really see the hole, but I still need to patch it up. But anyways, I need to make my bed. I should probably get dressed. Haven't even pulled out Loxie's bed. I really haven't done much of any sort of routine. Yeah, I think today I'm gonna make my bed a little bit more relaxed and not do all the stuff. Oh, by the way, I want to show you guys, this is I sleep with a blanket. I don't know if anybody else does this, but I sleep with a blanket that I fold into my own pillow, even though I sleep on pillows, but then I kind of don't, because I use a blanket, because that way I can kind of mold it to, you know, the way that I want my pillow to be. And this pillow is actually from a subscriber from 2 houses ago, and I don't know if she still watches me or not, but she sent this to me, and it's literally my every night blanket, but I use it as a pillow. But yeah, I just wanted to show you guys this. Anyways, I don't know if you still watch, please comment. Thank you so much for this gift. I absolutely love it. I love all the gifts that you guys give me. Here is what I'm gonna wear today in the house. I am gonna stay home at least, I think, most of the day. Definitely until my daughter leaves. Like, I don't want to be gone, but I did have plans to go to Dollar Tree and stuff like that today, but when I found out my daughter was leaving today, obviously I'm gonna put that off. But if she leaves like around noon-ish, then I will probably leave after that. I really don't know. As you can see, I made the bed. I mean, it's nothing special. Look, okay, like it's not perfection by any means. I'm gonna turn that off, and I'm gonna go ahead and turn off my lamps. I'm not gonna be in here. I actually rarely come into my room during the day. I mainly stay in my office or in the living room.
You can put it on the floor down here too.
She's gone. Makes me so sad. And also the stressing begins, but really I can't even take myself seriously anymore. I've got to brush my hair. Might have mentioned this in a vlog or two, but I don't know what it is lately. I'm gonna set you guys down right here. I don't know what it is lately, but I've been really worried about my appearance on videos. I don't even honestly know where that came from. It wasn't anything that anybody said, because you guys are literally the sweetest people in the comment section, and it's just me. I think the more that I see all the comments about, and this is gonna sound like, oh my gosh, you know, because I get the sweetest comments, like, let's leave it at that, but I do want to describe, I guess, what's been going through my mind lately. And it's like, the more that I read on how much you guys love my videos and all the compliments you give me every single day, and I just want to give you guys the absolute best because I feel like you deserve it. And for some reason I've been like more critical of myself, but anyways, I could probably do like a whole sit down video and kind of talk about what's been going through my mind lately when it comes to YouTube. And I don't know, maybe like other YouTubers experience the same thing, but I don't know. I've just been more critical of myself, and I worry I don't want it to you know, like show in my videos. And but at the same time I feel like it's probably pretty normal, especially with the amount of content I put up. I'm constantly with myself. I mean, who says that? Clearly we're all with ourselves constantly, but it's like double time for me because, you know, right now I'm obviously living in this moment, but then I gotta live the moment again when I edit, and it's just, I guess it makes sense to be maybe overly critical of yourselves because you're watching yourself over and over. And yeah, anyways, I don't know where I'm going at this with. I was literally just talking about how my daughter just left, and I don't even know, like, so anyway, she just left, and like I said, I'm going to be worried sick until she gets there. And so I don't know. I honestly don't think I'm gonna do much vlogging in the meantime, but I will probably vlog a little bit later. And the reason why is I think that if she were traveling in, you know, just like a populated area, it wouldn't bother me as much, but there are pockets where there's just absolutely nothing. That's just how it is in Texas. And so that bothers me. And there's one little pocket where there's absolutely no cell reception, and that makes the blood pressure skyrocket for me. So I'm going to relax off camera and sit right here, read a book, put on my most coziest, calming movies, Goonies. So I got a couple of deliveries from Amazon, so I thought I would do an Amazon haul. I think you guys are a little bit crooked. Okay, so the first thing, I think I mentioned this, I don't know if I ended up cutting it out or not from yesterday's vlog, but I did not get this piece last night like I thought I was going to. That's why it never showed up in the vlog, but I did get it this morning, so I'm really excited. I was worried that it was gonna be lost because the same thing happened with this green duvet set that I got from Amazon. It said that it was out for delivery and then it never made it. So I had to get a refund, but I got it. And how darling is this? So in case I did cut out that part in the vlog, I saw this a couple of weeks ago when I knew I wanted to go in a different decorating direction for Halloween next year. And this was originally, like when I first started watching this item on Amazon, it was like $19.99, and then the price kept dropping, and then it got to $8.99, and I was just like, okay, I'm going for it. So that's what I got. I'll link it down below in case there's more, but super cute. I hope you guys can kind of see where I'm going to be headed next year. I was kind of trying to do a more chic look this year with the skulls and the moss to kind of go with my everyday decor, but then I kind of decided I want to do something more along like this aesthetic, more like cutesy, I guess. I don't really know what to call it. If you know what to call it, comment down below. But I think the ghosts on the inside are so cute. I am doing the candy corn theme, so I think this will fit perfectly because the colors and the ceramicness of it is really cute. The next item I got is a Christmas present. They're these, they're just like these little, I don't think these are called bralettes, but they're like sports bras, and you get them in a packet of 4 in here. I thought the price was pretty good. I don't know, somewhere around $10 to $14, somewhere in there. So it's a Christmas present. And I got the pillow covers, and I haven't opened them yet, but looking through here, I think this is the color. So let's go ahead and open it. I think it looks like it, especially on camera. On camera it looks really like cherry red, but in person it's still a shade darker, but I think this is right. I'm actually gonna fit these on the pillows and stage them just to kind of get a visual, so I'll do that in the next clip. But here's the older one. I don't know if you can really see a difference. But again, the camera's still not truly showing you guys the real color. Like this is like purpley burgundy, and then this is anyways, whatever, who cares? I feel like the camera's not really gonna do much justice, especially since the couch isn't fluffed and pretty, and I'm only doing like this one corner. I just kind of wanted to see what they would look like next to each other. I feel like the color is right, so I am going to keep these and return the other ones. Now the question is, am I going to do a different pillow cover for the third big pillow? Because as you can see, I have 6 big pillows, and then I'm going to do 2 plaid pillows. So this one, I was going to do this white that has like a furry type texture. But I wanted to see what this white one actually looked like with all of this, you know, because it's still like my style. And I think it's doable, but I still think I'm gonna get those other white pillow covers instead. And I'm also gonna arrange the pillows, I think, differently. Instead of doing like one big long line, I'm gonna do like little corners, I guess you could say.